Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to attempt to replace a remote control unit on a ceiling fan. I think this was a Harbor Breeze. Yeah, from I believe that's Lowe's. And the remote control stopped working properly. It was actually the light that wouldn't turn off. It would just stay on. The fan would work fine, but you couldn't turn the light off. And I was kind of like, at first, well, I guess it's just need to replace the fan. And then I kind of pulled it all down and realized that the remote control part is just this part right here. So I went on Amazon and got this for like, I don't know, 15 bucks. Is that right there? I don't know. Let's see if I can. I'll put a link in the description. But I mean, honestly, this does look like it's almost exactly the same size. The only thing is I'd have to just rewire the fan, I guess, because this has had like a nice little connector that plugged right into this part, the motor part, where I will basically just have to hand wire everything, which is really no big deal at all. So hopefully I can do this and save the fan. I mean, it was like $100 fan probably. Jesus, you can move back, okay? Yeah, so basically the wires are all the same colors. You got a white, blue, and black. The black is the fan, the blue is for the light, and the white is just your common. So it's the same colors on this one. So really all I should have to do is let me get a Phillips to unscrew that. It almost looks like it's going to fit. It's a little bit thicker, but I might be able to fudge that a little bit. Let me come back with a screwdriver. Alright. Let's see if I can unscrew this thing. Okay, you're unscrewed. Why are you not coming off? Oh, because it's glue, or it's like double-sided tape. So I'll get rid of that so it has a little bit more space since it's a little bit thicker. Guess those can go through one of them. That would probably make sense because that has to come and connect to the fan. Yeah, they're actually labeled too. It shows, you know, fan, light, and it says public N. Don't know. It's got a little wiring diagram, though I don't think that I really need that, so I can just cover it up. Alright, that's fudged good enough. I guess you just want to make sure that this would be the remote receiver. I guess just keep that out a little bit. So basically, yeah, you just connect these to the black and the white. Doesn't seem to be any kind of a ground on the actual, this guy has no ground. It just has, you know, the others. So the ground wire will just be connected here like it was before. So basically in this box there's actually a red wire also, because this is wired to where you can control the light on the red wire from the switch. So the switch on the wall is actually the red wire, and the black is constant. So I'm not going to use the black wire. That's just going to stay capped off. I'm only going to be using the red, which is going to go to the black on here, and then the white to the white. And then once this is back up, then we just basically hang the fan back up. I'm just going to go ahead and cut off this connector, strip some of this back to where I have the blue, black, and white, and then just connect them up. And I don't see any reason why that shouldn't work. Alright guys, so that did work just fine. You can turn the light on and off. It actually makes a beeping sound when you do. And fan works like it should. You got low, medium, high. You can actually hear it click. There's like relays in this one, where the old one didn't do that. But yeah, so for 15 bucks you can repair your failed remote controlled ceiling fan. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. If you found the video helpful, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it.